Today we're going to answer a few frequently asked questions about garage door repair. One question we get a lot is, there was a loud noise in the garage and now the garage door won't open. What's the problem? It's probably a broken spring. Garage door springs make loud noises when they break, and your garage door can't open with even one broken spring. Your best bet is to call a garage door technician for a replacement right away. Following that question, what we often hear is, can I replace only the broken spring, or do I have to replace both springs? It's always recommended that you replace both springs. Garage door springs work together and wear together, and even if one spring looks intact and perfectly fine, chances are it'll break in a matter of months. Pairing uneven springs together can also void warranties and cause damage to your garage door tracks, costing you significantly more money in the long run. Your garage door is such a critical part of your home. Why take the chance? Call a professional. Call John's Garage Door Repair today at 520-989-0381.